Welcome back to Rush Drive, the place where speed meets luxury and every car has a story to tell. If you love super luxury, performance SUVs, and honest reviews with a cinematic vibe, you're in the right garage. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about machines in the luxury SUV world. The Porsche Cayenne S Coupe 2026. A car that claims to be sporty like a coupe, powerful like a sports car, and comfortable like a five-star hotel on wheels. Big claim, right? So let's find out if it really deserves the title of the best super luxury sports SUV in the world. The moment you see the Cayenne S Coupe, you know this is not an ordinary SUV. The sloping coupe roofline, wide stance, muscular shoulders, and aggressive front fascia scream Porsche DNA from every angle. This car looks fast even when it's standing still. The frameless doors, massive alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and sleek LED matrix headlights make it feel like a luxury supercar that just happens to sit higher off the ground. It's bold, elegant, and intimidating at the same time. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where Porsche really shows off. The Cayenne S Coupe 2026 comes with a twin-turbo V8 engine that delivers brutal performance. We're talking about around 468 horsepower and a massive amount of torque that hits you instantly. Press the accelerator and this SUV launches forward like it's angry at the road. 0 to 100 km/h comes in around 4.5 seconds, which is insane for a luxury SUV of this size. The 8-speed automatic transmission is buttery smooth, and the Porsche all-wheel drive system keeps everything planted, whether you're cruising on highways or pushing hard on twisty roads. But speed alone doesn't make a car special. What really sets the Cayenne S Coupe apart is how it balances performance with comfort. Switch to Sport Plus mode and it feels like a full-on sports car, tight steering, sharp throttle response, and aggressive exhaust sound. Switch back to Comfort mode and suddenly it transforms into one of the smoothest, calmest rides you can imagine. The adaptive air suspension absorbs bumps like magic, making rough roads feel premium and effortless. Step inside, and this is where the super luxury experience truly begins. The cabin of the Cayenne S Coupe 2026 is a masterclass in design and quality. Premium leather everywhere, brushed aluminum accents, carbon fiber options, and a perfectly driver-focused cockpit. The curved digital instrument cluster looks futuristic and clean, while the central touchscreen is fast, responsive, and packed with features. Everything feels solid, expensive, and built to last. The seats deserve a special mention. They are incredibly supportive yet insanely comfortable. Whether you're driving for 10 minutes or 10 hours, you step out feeling fresh. Heated, ventilated, and massage seat options take comfort to another level. Rear passengers also get generous space, especially considering this is a coupe-style SUV. And yes, the boot space is still practical enough for daily use and road trips. Now let's talk tech, because this car is loaded. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, night vision, 360-degree camera, head-up display, and one of the best sound systems you can get in any car. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Everything works smoothly, without lag, without frustration. This is luxury done right. And comfort. This is where Porsche surprises everyone. People think sporty cars can't be comfortable, but the Cayenne S Coupe proves them wrong. The cabin is extremely quiet, road noise is minimal, suspension tuning is world-class, and climate control is perfectly balanced. This car makes long drives feel short and boring traffic feel tolerable. It's one of those rare vehicles that pampers you without making you feel disconnected from the road. Now let's talk price, because yes, luxury comes at a cost. The Porsche Cayenne S Coupe 2026 sits in the high-end luxury SUV segment, and pricing varies depending on country and options. With customizations, it can easily climb higher, but what you're paying for is performance, prestige, comfort, and Porsche engineering all in one package. Compared to rivals like the BMW X6M, Mercedes-AMG GLE Coupe, and Range Rover Sport, the Cayenne S Coupe stands out for its balance. It doesn't just do one thing well, it does everything exceptionally. So is it the most comfortable car in the world? Maybe not for someone who wants a soft luxury sedan, but for a super luxury sports SUV, it's very close to perfect. It gives you speed when you want excitement, comfort when you want peace, and luxury every single moment you're inside it. The Porsche Cayenne S Coupe 2026 is not just a car, it's a lifestyle statement. It's for people who want power without compromise, luxury without boredom, and comfort without losing that sporty soul. And that's what makes it so special. If you enjoyed this review and want more energetic, cinematic, and honest car content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Rush Drive, and turn on notifications